Hey everyone, this is Scott Everitt, the Vice President of Healthcare Solutions with Practical Data Solutions. And this month's dashboard of the month is PDS Charge Edits Dashboard. Now, charge edits is a metric that a lot of organizations don't want to spend a lot of time on, but it's really critical to be able to know this metric and understand this metric to make sure that your charges and money is not getting caught up in your front end charge editing systems. So what you want to look at when you see something like this is the ability to get through it very quickly and see how much is caught up in your system, how long is it taking to get out, and what are particular edits that maybe we need to go back to our providers and our clinics to help prevent these errors in the first place. So we'll start off by just looking at the average aging days in the system. So on average, this system is taking about 4.4 days to get out of the system, which is acceptable. Obviously, we'd like to get them out as quickly as possible. So what we want to look at is what percentage are coming out within 1 to 3 days versus how many are greater than 14 days. So when we see the greater than 14 days is 14%, we may want to consider that that's a little high and we want to get those down, and we want to understand the edits and edit categories which are feeding into these longer lags, find preventative ways to look at it, and find other ways to get those cleared out as quickly as possible. Then we want to look at the average daily charge that's being held in our claims editing system, which is about 40%. And we want to look at how many days of charges are being held, which is about 2.5 days of charges. That means overall, on average, we're getting our charges out pretty quickly. We probably have several outliers which are increasing that average beyond that 2.5 days that we're seeing down there. So we probably want to look at these outliers and really put some focus on them as well. We want to be able to look at our distribution by charges and by count and understanding the overall edit categories which are feeding into this. And again, understanding that this is a report that I want to see on a daily basis. I don't want to spend a lot of time on it, but I need to make sure I don't have these numbers getting way out of line, because it could create a problem that is going to have a significant impact on our cash flow. If you have any questions on this dashboard, or if PDS can help you get to any of these metrics to help you better understand what's being held up in your claims editing system, please reach out to us. If you'd like a clean copy of the PDS Charge Edits dashboard, please visit our website at pds-online.com, where you can download one. And please feel free to reach out to us if we can help you get to any of these. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you. This is Scott Everitt.